These SUNVIE Halloween RGBW landscape lights deliver vivid color options and a dedicated warm white channel, so they work equally well for holiday displays and everyday accent lighting. The included radio frequency remotes make it easy to switch colors, adjust brightness, and change modes from a distance without having to walk around to each individual light. Each spotlight feels solidly built with a thick aluminum housing, glass lens, and metal stake, which inspires confidence for long-term outdoor use in rain or snow. The integrated memory function saves your last used color and mode, so your yard lighting comes back exactly the way you left it after power cycles or timer schedules. Installation is straightforward thanks to the screw-tight low-voltage connectors that clamp onto the cables securely without cutting, crimping, or special tools. Flexible mounting hardware lets you either stake the lights into the ground or fasten them to walls and eaves, giving you plenty of options for highlighting trees, facades, and garden features.